So what is an elevator pitch and how would you write one? Well, in this very short 2-minute video, I'm going to tell you everything you'll ever need to know. Imagine the scene. You're stepping into an elevator with a customer or a consumer or maybe a senior manager within your own business, and your job is to try and explain to them about your fantastic new innovation or product or service before the elevator doors reopen again. Now, the key here is you've got to convey the essence of your idea in a way that's highly motivating in a very short period of time. Let's say less than 20 seconds. So it's vital in this situation to be concise and focused on exactly what you need this person to remember. So when writing an elevator pitch, we need to tell them 3 things. Number 1, what problem are we solving? Something we're going to call the insight. What pain point for the consumer or customer? What barrier are we overcoming? What trade-off or compromise are we solving? The second thing we've got to tell them is what benefit we're going to provide. What value will our service or product give to our target customer? And then finally, and most importantly, we've got to explain what makes our idea better than the competition, what makes us unique or superior. If we can clearly communicate just those 3 things before the elevator doors reopen, then we will have communicated our elevator pitch and they will recall and remember what's vitally important about our idea. This video is part of a series of 2-minute tutorial videos on marketing subjects, including how to write a value proposition and how to write a consumer insight. Check out the YouTube channel MatShoreInnovation to see more like this.